Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith and this is your JIS News for Friday, October 30. Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO, has facilitated a $350 million investment for a free zone to be opened in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. It will provide about 2,500 jobs. The companies operating in the zone will also provide 300 engineering scholarships to Jamaican students. JAMPRO's president, Diane Edwards, says the facility is being set up under the Jamaica Logistics Hub initiative to leverage Jamaica's connectivity and ability to manufacture products for regional markets. Among other things, the logistics center will facilitate the manufacturing of tobacco, pharmaceutical and nutraceutical products. Petroleum refinery and vehicle assembly are also planned for the space. The operation is a joint venture involving Gulf-Free Americas and the China National Automotive Industry International Corporation. It will be administered by Masada Jamaica Limited, and the first phase of the project is slated for completion in June 2016. More public sector entities are seeing a reduction in their electricity bills as the government continues to retrofit state-owned buildings. Among them is the Jamaica Information Service, which saved more than $4.5 million on its energy bill between 2011 and 2015. It's the result of the implementation of government's energy efficiency and conservation program at the agency.
The government is committed. It is unrelenting in its pursuit of transforming the energy situation in our country, the way we use energy, starting with this project of energy conservation and efficiency. And we are going to continue to the very end this time.
In the meantime, JIS Chief Executive Officer Donna Marie Rowe says cost containment continues to be a key objective of the agency. She says the success of the EEC program will be shared with the public through partnership with the Energy Ministry.
The JIS is executing a public education campaign to encourage Jamaicans to become more energy efficient.
Energy efficient retrofits carried out at the JIS include the application of solar control film and a cool roof solution, as well as the retrofitting of air conditioning units. EECP is funded by the government and the Inter-American Development Bank. The Sam Sharp Teachers College in St. James is to benefit from the construction of a diagnostic and early childhood center. Cabinet has approved a $50.6 million contract for Food for the Poor to construct the facility, which is expected to be completed this fiscal year. It will have 3 diagnostic classrooms, an assessment room, and a multipurpose auditorium, among other amenities.
Presently, there is only one public educational institution for children with special needs across the parishes of Trelawney, St. James, Hanover, and Westmoreland, and that is the Landyler School of Special Education. The construction of this additional facility at Sam Sharp's Teachers College is expected to ease the current overcrowding and long waiting period which children in need of this service must undergo.
At its sitting this week, Cabinet also approved a $3.7 million contract to purchase 750,000 blank passports. The passports are being acquired through the Canadian Bank Note Company Limited and are expected to satisfy local and overseas demand for the next 3.5 to 4 years.
The blank passports are personalized by PICA using a passport issuing and control system, which is supplied and maintained by Canadian Bank Note Company.
The Information Minister says overall upgrades to the passport system continue, with a facial recognition system to come on stream by the end of this financial year. And finally, residents in Roses Valley, St. Elizabeth now have a rehabilitated water catchment facility to supply their needs. The work was done under the Jamaica Rural Economy and Ecosystems Adapting to Climate Change JAREACH project in partnership with international organization ACDI VOCA.
I am so pleased that we were able to play a part in this and in this handover. I can assure you that we will be committed and around and continue to be there to help.
This project, ladies and gentlemen, will assist many persons, not just in this vicinity, as I said before, but beyond.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Carrie-Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.